Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I will show you a beautiful smart bird, woodpecker. Across time and throughout different cultures, there is one bird family in particular that holds particular symbolism and significance, the woodpecker bird. While some cultures associate this bird with prosperity and luck, others have imposed symbols of perseverance and determination on this bird. Associated with a plethora of positive symbols like opportunity, strength, wishes, spiritual learning, and hard work, woodpeckers have always kept the interest of man. However, one wants to see it, woodpeckers are fascinating creatures having interesting lives and life cycles. They are considered some of the most intelligent and sentient birds in the entire class of birds. While it may take an ornithologist to recognize and accurately classify all of the diverse species that fall under the class ewes or birds, even a little cat can immediately yell a woodpecker bird when they see one in a picture book or on the TV. While each species of woodpecker bird might vary in color and size, most woodpeckers have a quintessential appearance. All woodpecker species have characteristic sharp beaks that they use as chisel to search for food in woods and tree trunks. Although each species can have its own set of colors on the body, most woodpeckers have black-colored feathers all over their body, complemented by a red patch on their head. There are some species whose entire head is covered by the red crest, such as the Magellanic and red-headed woodpecker. While it may be hard to unify the traits of the 180 species in this family, a few common characteristics are generally observed through all of the birds in this subclass. The woodpeckers are related to toucans. They can be found almost worldwide, mostly in South America and Southeast Asia. They vary in length. Most might have a length between 6 to 18 inches. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.